Yo guys and gals, welcome to Apex 7 TKL or 10 keys less keyboard unboxing and review plus mouse mat QCK prism. So the unboxing experience is pretty much simple. There is keyboard and there is the palm rest. There your palms rest. Let's first talk about the palm rest. It's so bad in my opinion. It's so rough. It's built from the hardest material on earth. You can't rest on this piece of metal. I don't know how they managed to build this, but it's not a comfy palm rest anyway. The keyboard itself is pretty much good. I love this keyboard. It immediately became my main keyboard. It has two cables. One is for the keyboard and another is for the USB type A port on the keyboard itself, so you can plug in your phone or USB driver, whatever, to connect it to your PC. It has a really good three-way cable routine, so you manage your cables how you like it. The model that I have is red switches, so it's linear and quiet. It's good for streaming and broadcasting. There's an OLED smart screen on top right corner of the keyboard. You can change settings, change profile on it. You can set it for multiple function. You can also customize it to whatever you like. There is dedicated multimedia buttons. You can manage the volumes, whatever with those keys. And it's quite handy. It's something that not necessary, but it's handy. The mouse mat, however, it's nothing special about it. It's just an RGB mouse mat. The only problem I have with it is after 1 month of using it, it became like this, those white things. I don't know. I tried to clean it, whatever. Nothing. And another problem is the right side of the mouse mat is dimmer than the left side. Left side is where the power comes in, and it's brighter than the right side. You can take a look and you judge it by yourself. Look how bright is on the left side, but on the right side it's so dim. This is a problem this mouse mat has, and I don't know if it's the overall problem or it's just mine that has this problem. Overall it's a good mouse mat, but for this price you can pay for something better and not RGB. It's just RGB mouse mat. 7 out of 10 for the mouse mat. There's also the program that you can manage your profiles, keybind things, and your lighting, and also your smart OLED screen, which I mentioned earlier. You can type whatever you like and customize it. I type use code Orca or code Orca on it, and you can write on the left, write on white or black, and on grid, without grid, the background. We can reverse everything. And yeah, pretty much all the settings that you need for your RGB master race. But I don't like the design of the program, as I mentioned earlier in a SteelSeries unboxing videos. And for the mouse mat too, you can manage the lightings and everything. Also you can use apps, built-in apps, like audio visualizer, which I use, so your keyboard is synced with the music you are listening to. Thanks for watching, and overall score for the keyboard, in my opinion, is 8 out of 10. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.